Welcome back. Today we want to talk about how to view the production log within the project management screen for the project managers. So simply here, you can see we're already in our project tracking database. You'll click View Production Log. Once here, you can see a list of all the projects that are currently available. Within the screen, you can see the project name, the project number, location, hours on the job, the tentative start date, the customers, tech assign, contractor reference, etc. Within this field, you can sort tentative start date descending or ascending order based off your preference. You can also do a manual search up here with the fields as well. You can search selection of just jobs this year, jobs this month by simply selecting the date. As you select your filter, you'll simply click on your dates and hit filter. What you'll have here, this shows up one job that we have. Now you can clear your filter status by simply clicking the filter clear status button here, and you're able to do that. So as a project manager, this screen's really your best friend. What it does, it allows you to look at jobs coming up in the future. For example, we can see this Human Performance Center is here for March. Well, what we can do is start calling the contractor and say, hey, are you ready for us to come out to the job? We'll be out there 3/7. It allows you to better be proactive scheduling. Well, you call him up and he says, no, it's going to be April 1st before we're even going to be ready for you to come out here. Well, you can simply come here. You can change the date to April the 1st. And voila, now you can call back on April the 1st and say, hey, are you ready for us? The other value of this is you can quickly jump to any project directly from the menu here by simply clicking on the project number. So let's just go to D. Morgan. You'll see it opens up the projects. So you can quickly look at the information you need. This is our production log for our project managers. Stay tuned for more videos to come.